Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. It is another beautiful day here in the Valley of the Sun, so I'm going to cook outside. This is certainly something that you could do inside, but hey, got to take advantage of this incredible weather. Now what we're making today is going to be an easy recipe, but it's going to be absolutely delicious. We are making shrimp in a creamy chipotle sauce. And if you know us here at the Galley of the Sun, you know we love our chipotles. I'm going to get my skillet here warmed up to medium heat. And I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of butter. All right, so hopefully that's the last time I say an amount, but if you want this recipe, check out our website. There's a link down below, galleyofthesun.com, and you'll find it there. So in goes the butter. Now as that butter's melting, I got my shrimp here. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil to those. Then we're going to add some of Spiceology's chili margarita seasoning to those. All right, we'll get all that tossed and get all those shrimp coated. All right, butter's good and melted. Now I'm going to add my shrimp, and we're going to cook that until the shrimp is done. And that means until they're opaque or until you can't see through them.
Obviously.
All right, as those shrimp are cooking, I'm going to get some green onions diced up, or scallions if you will, for a little bit of garnish at the end. Alrighty, had to change locations, still getting to know this induction burner. Today, for some reason, it didn't like my cast iron skillet, but again, we're cooking with oil and butter and electricity and induction. All right. Alrighty, I think the induction burner was just pissed off because it's hot. Yeah, but got the shrimp done, so let's move on to the next step. So we're gonna get those shrimp into a bowl here. Because we don't want to overcook them. We don't want them to be chewy. Now we're going to add our coconut cream to the skillet. Good idea to shake it up first. Sometimes it gets separated. Then we're going to add our chipotles. Star of the show. And then a little bit of Spiceology's Vampire Killer. Got to get the garlic in there. This incredible mixture here, we're going to give that a good stir, get it all mixed up, and bring it to a boil. And then let it simmer for about 10 minutes or so. So once that happens, we'll be ready for the next step, and we'll see you then. All right, I had to shift cooking operations inside because it was too hot for my induction burner, but I brought that sauce up to a simmer. Then I added the shrimp back in, added the cilantro, let it simmer for 5 more minutes. Now we're getting judgment from the director. She loves her shrimp. She loves her chipotles. So she's going to be a good judge for this.
Very good.
All right, the people are going to want to know, does it have a bite?
No bite at all. A little chipotle flavor. Really good, but not a whole lot of flavor to it. And definitely no bite. And like I said, very subtle chipotle flavor.
All right, there you go. You want to have a good smoky, creamy sauce with your shrimp. Yep. Serve it over coconut rice. This is the way to go. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. And until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.